Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you want to have some fun, then come hang out with me in the AirFort. This AirFort is so easy to put together. The Velcro straps here go onto your fan. They provide Velcro stickies for your fan, and then you simply turn it on. Within a matter of a few seconds, you have this blow-up fort that is so much fun. I love the ease of getting in and out of it. It fits a ton of people inside. It's 77 inches wide and 50 inches tall. It is a perfect little house to play in and have a ton of kids in, and it's really compact and easy to put away as well. I have had so much fun in this. My son and I love to play in it. I absolutely love the fact that it has netting in between the fan and the opening to the AirFort, because we know how little fingers can be. Very curious, so this is a great safety feature. This is seriously so much fun. Forget about the kids, get yourself one. And that's my point of view.